Quadrilateral checklist. This is a Google Slides activity, drag and drop the check marks to fill in the table selecting the appropriate properties for each shape. Not all check marks may be used. This is going through the answers. Excellent review for the unit test. Our quadrilateral checklist. Let's see our shapes: parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, kite, trapezoid, and isosceles trapezoid. Properties. First, 1, 2 pairs of consecutive angles, supplementary. Everything from day one's fair game, supplementary. Add to 180 degrees, 2 angles that do that. And if they're consecutive, then you have a set of parallel sides. So parallel sides: parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. Trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides, so there are 2 pairs of consecutive angles that are supplementary, and so does isosceles trapezoid. Let's look at the next one. Just one pair of opposite sides parallel. That would be both of the trapezoids. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is anything that is a parallelogram. So rectangle's a parallelogram. So is rhombus and square. So all 4 of those have the property of both pair of opposite sides parallel. Just one pair of opposite sides congruent. Just one pair. Opposite sides congruent. Isosceles trapezoid. That's it. 2 pairs of opposite angles congruent. Let's see here. Parallelogram. And since it works for parallelogram, all 4 of the parallelograms work. So parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. Any other ones? 2 pairs of opposite angles congruent. I don't think so. Next one, just one pair of opposite angles congruent. That is kite. 2 pairs of consecutive sides congruent. Rhombus. All 4 sides are congruent, so that'll work. Same thing with square. Kite. Not all 4 are congruent, but there are 2 pairs of consecutive sides congruent. All sides congruent. All right. Rhombus and square is gonna do it. All equal angles. Rectangle has 4 90-degree angles, and so does square. And that is going to be it. Congruent diagonals. That works for rectangle. That works for square. It also works for isosceles trapezoid. Perpendicular diagonals. That works for rhombus, square, and kite. Diagonals bisect each other. That's a property of parallelograms. So parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square is gonna work. There we go. Quadrilaterals checklist complete. Make sure to submit the Google Slides presentation.